This video shows how to fax multiple pages from the scanner bed on fax-capable HP printers. The fax connections for your HP printer must be set up before you can send a fax. From your computer, double-click the printer icon on the desktop to open HP Printer Assistant. HP Printer Assistant is installed with your full-feature printer driver. Click the Print, Scan, and Fax tab. Then click Fax. Click Send a Fax. Type the fax destination number in the To field, then click Add.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts.
From the Printer Assistant, click Add Scan. Remove the first page of the document from the scanner glass and replace it with the next page. Click Add Scan to add the new page. Continue scanning each new page until the entire document is scanned. Click Send Fax to send the scanned documents as a fax to the destination number.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.